In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the audio from a Hindi YouTube video and prepare it for transcription. We'll go through a simple workflow that helps you get better results, especially when working with Hindi audio. One important thing to keep in mind from the start is that Otter is mainly optimized for English transcription. That means if your video is fully in Hindi or mostly in Hindi, the transcript may not be very accurate. However, if the audio includes some English mixed in, Otter may still capture those parts reasonably well. For fully non-English content, it's often better to upload the file to a translation or transcription tool that supports Hindi more directly, or use Otter as a starting point and then manually correct the output. The first thing you need to do is download the audio file from the Hindi YouTube video. Make sure you save it in a common audio format that can be easily uploaded later. It's a good idea to check the file after downloading so you know the audio is clear and complete. If the source video has background noise, overlapping speakers, or music, that can affect transcription quality, so it helps to be aware of that before moving on. Once you have the audio file ready, upload it to Otter using the import option. This is the quickest way to bring an existing audio file into the platform for automatic transcription. During this stage, just let the system process the file completely before reviewing the text. Depending on the length of the recording, this may take a little time, so be patient and wait until the transcript is fully generated. After the transcript appears, the next step is to manually edit and adjust the text, especially for localized Hindi words and English loanwords. This part is very important. Automatic transcription tools often struggle with regional pronunciation, mixed language speech, and words that sound similar but have different meanings. Go through the transcript carefully while listening to the audio and correct any mistakes you notice. Pay extra attention to names of places, cultural terms, and commonly borrowed English words, since these are often misheard or written incorrectly. If you used another translation or transcription tool for the Hindi content first, you can still compare that result with Otter's version for any English mixed sections. That can sometimes help you piece together a cleaner final